Hey everyone, Matt Ward with Diamond ProTech. Tyler Cucci here as well. Today we're going to go over at TRCMA our Diamond ProTech line of protective coatings. But first, what is Diamond ProTech exactly?
Great question. So Diamond ProTech is a family of protective coatings that you can use on all the surfaces of your automobiles. What's really cool though is our patented technology originally was derived from aerospace or satellite coatings before we moved into the automotive industry. Since we moved into the industry, we've had some really cool achievements. So those big achievements is we are factory installed by Morgan Motors. We're one of the only hand applied coatings that is factory installed by an OEM. Morgan Motors is a 115-year-old car manufacturer in the UK. From there, we've also become the exclusively endorsed coating from the Wrap Institute for our Diamond Wrap coating because of its flexibility. It's able to work on so many PPF and vinyls without paralyzing their self-healing properties. In addition to that, all of our certified installers enjoy being able to have their certified coatings registered on their customer Carfax or their Carfax reports, which is a phenomenal thing for our entire pro installer network. Crazy cool, exciting announcement for us here in the Americas this year that we get to announce here at TRCMA is our new relationship with Corvette. So why do we have this Corvette sitting behind us? Diamond ProTech is now the exclusively offered coating for anyone that purchases a Corvette from the manufacturing facility in Bowling Green, Kentucky. And if they choose to get that Corvette delivered at the National Corvette Museum, receive their delivery on Corvette Boulevard, they're going to be able to have Diamond ProTech coatings applied to their Corvette before it even receives the beginning miles of its life. So a perfect relationship to start off. So let's talk about this Corvette here. So 3 months ago, we brought this Corvette into TRC and we got it ready for today. So today's gonna be its first maintenance wash, but let's talk about what we did 3 months ago. So on this Corvette, we coated its wheels with Diamond wheels. Phenomenal product for Corvette owners or anyone that really cares about their rims. Diamond wheels is one of our coatings coming very close from the satellite program for intense heat resistance, 1,000 degrees Celsius, 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit, which exceeds even the amount of heat generated by a Formula One race car. So when you look at this Corvette and you look at those huge calibers that they've crammed in these rims, there is no concern for heat generation that's gonna cause coating failure. This coating is gonna last a minimum of 1 year, and depending on how you take care of your wheels and rims, it's going to do so much more than that. Moving over to the glass, our glass coating is another really exciting product to talk about, fixating on clarity and cleanliness of the glass. This Corvette, you've got this beautiful rear windshield. Having a nice clear windshield to look through and see this amazing mid-engine is an exciting thing to look at. For me, coming out of the Northeast, my favorite property about Diamond Glass is its frost resistance and how easy it makes taking care of my windshield during the winter. Probably not something this Corvette or many Corvettes see, but it's still a very cool thing. When we move over to the body, we have two big areas that we look at. We have body 36, which a lot of people look at, and diamond body. And we made the decision after talking to this Corvette owner that diamond body was the right coating for them. Diamond body fixates on gloss and really makes that vehicle look dripping wet and dripping in diamonds, and just is the exact desire that this vehicle owner wanted. Hydrophobic properties, gloss enhancement, and having a beautiful looking Corvette. That doesn't mean that body 36 doesn't give us some great looks, but it fixates on shine, scratch resistance, maybe something that we need more on a daily driver, something that's gonna go through a lot more abuse rather than something that's gonna be shown off as an enjoyable vehicle. Moving on, we've got our leather and our interior. We use both of these products on this Corvette. Diamond leather is a phenomenal product that can be used on both synthetics and natural leathers. It's a permeable coating, so on your natural leathers, you can still use your favorite saddle conditioners or other leather conditioners. We're one of few manufacturers in the world that has a coating that can be applied to natural leathers. And last but not least is our interior. Diamond interior gives a phenomenal anti-static property to your interiors, some gloss enhancement and enrichment of your interior plastic. So we've used this on the dashboard, we've used this on our interior plastics, all your doors. And this Corvette owner actually has a little guy, a little kid. So what this is gonna do in that passenger seat is make sure we don't get any fingerprints and smudge marks for those little people. Let's talk about a few things that we used 3 months ago. So we used Diamond Revive 3 months ago in order to prepare this vehicle for the coating to be applied, and we also used our multi-surface concentrate. We cleaned these wheels and we did a little bit of pre-wash treatment on the side of this Corvette with our multi-surface concentrate, diluted 50-50, which is a great dilution as a pre-wash or a wheel cleaner because it gets some nice surfactants in there to have it cling to those surfaces that we need to clean. So that was everything that we did 3 months ago. Why don't you tell me what we're looking at here for these aftercare products that we're launching today, and what are we going to do to this Corvette today?
Yeah, so today, instead of the Revive, which is a great maintenance product, and to unclog the coating, we're going to use Coat Care. So our Coat Care is going to clean the vehicle, but it's also going to leave behind some hydrophobic properties, which will then extend the hydrophobic effect and the lifespan of the coating on the vehicle. From there, we're going to use our QD. This will be our final white product. It can also be used as a drying aid. Seeing that this vehicle sees a lot of garage time, we don't know if we're going to have any water spots, but if so, we have our Desolve, which is our water spot and decontamination remover. So we will get washing and see what we have to do.
Awesome. Let's do it.